Presenting OnePlus 43 inches Y Series 4K Ultra HD Smart Android LED TV in the color black. This product comes with an Ultra HD 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate. This LED TV produces extraordinary clarity and ultra-realistic detailed pictures to transform your viewing experience. This OnePlus TV comes with bezel-less design. The advanced Gamma engine enhances the display quality. With MEMC technology, you can now experience fast-moving scene with silky smooth, realistic motion. It has a display type of HDR10+, HDR10, HLG. This OnePlus TV comes with 10-bit color depth and has over a billion colors, deliver breathtaking color accuracy in every frame. OnePlus TV runs on Android platform and has a load of smart features and applications like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Hotstar, Sony Live, Hungama, JioCinema, Z5, Eros Now, Oxygen Play. You can enjoy the built-in support for Miracast, DLNA and Chromecast. It has auto low latency mode and OnePlus Connect ecosystem. It comes with a Kids Mode feature which allows you to restrict apps and set playtime limit for children. The TV has an eye comfort mode which protects your kids' vision. The TV supports Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet and HDMI for easy connectivity. It features a powerful speaker which delivers up to 24 watts of sharp, high-definition audio. It is boosted by Dolby Audio and Dolby Atmos decoding for crystal clear sound. In the box, you will find one LED TV, two table stand base, one user manual, one warranty card, one remote control, one AV-in adapter, one AC cord, two AAA batteries. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.